We are here today to celebrate our first quarter Student Life is You Award. As you all know, Student Life is You is really our set of divisional values and what makes us tick as an organization. And today I am just so thrilled to pieces to be able to present this award to our own Margie Jones. I think the words that came out loud and clear from the nominations were your dedication to our students and your willingness to work with them, your willingness to be able to help articulate their own concerns and challenges and be a great liaison for them.
I feel very honored and privileged to be receiving this award. Working with student organizations is a joy, and it's why I do what I do, and I'm willing to spend countless hours just hoping to impact students and to be a part of their journey here at Purdue.
What stands out to me most about Margie is her dedication to students. It is unrelentless. It is overwhelming at times, and it encourages me as an advisor to give even more. She gives her heart and her soul to student organizations, and it doesn't matter what group it is. As she has changed organizations, her advising for organizations, but her style has not changed.
I think Margie goes above and beyond every single day. She doesn't go home until the work is done, and even when she is home, she still shows up. I remember this fall when we were pivoting programs and experiences for students, she was the first one to offer up a meeting at 10:30 at night to make sure that the work got done and that the students the next day had the experience that they were looking for.
I feel very privileged to work with some of the best students on campus. Very passionate, very excited, and just engaged. And so I'm here because I hope that I can be a small impact on their journey, really just trying to make an impact in their lives and just encouraging them to be involved on campus.